G-Money here for Restoring a Princess. And what does it feel like to be the first? Well, today we're going to find out as we open up check-in, and we're going to see who's the very first passenger to use the brand new check-in here at the Princess Juliana International Airport. What's going on, y'all? And I am with Naomi. She probably did not think she was going to get all this tension this morning. She's going home to station, and she's the very first passenger to use our check-in on our local airline, Win Air. So how does it feel?
It's crazy, especially early in the morning like this.
Did you know this was going to happen?
No, not at all.
You're taking pictures with CFOs and everything.
It's great.
Great. So you live in Statia?
No, I actually live in Atlanta.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when's the last time you went to Statia?
April of 2022.
2022,
yeah.
Okay.
So coming through, everything has changed, and since Irma, I've saw like the airport slowly evolve. So seeing all this is kind of crazy. So it's nice seeing it open again.
And you was here like very early this morning.
Yeah, very early.
Early bird gets the worm. Well, listen, everybody's gonna remember you.
The first, I got a like milestone in like history of the airport. It's nice.
Great. Well, congratulations.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Congratulations, y'all.
Thank you.
Well done.
Okay, y'all, we're here with Carlos, who works for Win Air. Good morning, Carlos. How you doing?
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
All right. So how does it feel? Win Air, the first airline, get to use the check-in?
It feels amazing to be able to be the first carrier, the national carrier of St. Maarten, to be the ones to use our counters for the first time. For us, that is an honor and a privilege, and for that, we are very grateful.
So how difficult was it to, this whole new setup? Was it hard to learn, or you guys had training?
We've previously trained to ensure a smooth transition from the old section of the airport into the new section of the counter. So we're very familiar with the new system, and therefore it's running very smoothly and as expected.
Okay, well, it looks good, and congratulations.
Thank you very much.
All right. Well, there you have it, y'all. Check-in. We saw our first passenger, and congratulations to Win Air, our local airline who got to use the check-in today. Until next time, it's Restoring a Princess.